Hey everyone, now the coding bus have the new community feature enabled on the YouTube. Let me show you how you can use it. So open the YouTube channel, the coding bus, and now we need to click on the visit community. Now here anyone can ask anything, anyone can share the new ideas about App Inventor, anyone can post anything here. Make sure always post the related content. Like you can ask about the MIT App Inventor, you can ask about the cloning website, you can ask anything, you can share your content, you can share your ideas, you can do lot of things with this TCP community here. And now how we can use it? So we can see what's on your mind. So you can just type here anything like suppose, hello everyone, I need a help on website cloning project. So you just ask that so anyone can reply to your question, or you can share your achievements also. Like suppose you have created some amazing apps, so you can share their screenshot, achievements and anything in the TCB community. But make sure all the content related to the coding bus or the app inventor or the coding thing. So we can see there's an option like comment. So anyone can comment on your post, anyone can like your post, and if you have any questions, so they can answer in the TCP community. So this is the really amazing feature we have right now. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me on the community itself. Bye bye.